Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you use quiet mode on Instagram, in this video I'll show you two different ways on how can you do that. The first one is from the Instagram app itself and the second one is from your phone settings. So let's jump right into it. Now of course, since we're gonna start from the app, we need to get something out of the way. First, we go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Of course, from here you need to go ahead and search for Instagram. And once you find it, open it from here to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, to have the quiet mode itself, and also to encounter no problem during this process. After updating the app, you can open it. And from here, you can start by opening your profile. So tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. So we need to open settings, tap on settings and privacy right here. Now tap on notifications. And here we go, you find the quiet mode right here. You can tap on it and you can turn this on and off to use quiet mode whenever you want on Instagram. That is the first method on your Instagram application. The second one, from your device and from your device settings, go ahead and open settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. And then tap on manage apps. From here, wait for the app list to load up and search for Instagram. Once you find it, open Instagram app settings from your device and then tap on notifications right here. Just make sure you have this first toggle turned off and you'll be in quiet mode from your device, but people in this case will not be notified that you are on quiet mode, unlike for the first method. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.